This is the site where I want Learning Pathways content to be visible. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'll bring up the install wizard, click on Next. In here, I'm going to choose SharePoint Online. Now, I can go ahead and say add to all site collections in my tenant, but currently I'm looking to just do it to this one. You can do either one. Next, this is where I need to put in my username and password. Okay, so I have gone ahead and done that. Make sure that this account also has access to the tenant. So this account should have access to the app catalog in the tenant as well. Alright, so I've entered the information. Next, this is where the URL for this site will go. Let me go ahead and grab that. Okay, so here it is, same URL. Now you also want to add this checkbox because this will add support for the modern pages, the new experience pages like this one. Then I'm going to click on Next. Here, subscription ID. Please put in the subscription ID that has been provided. Okay, once you provide the subscription ID, click on Next. It will go ahead and perform the checks that it needs. If you get a similar error like the one I got over here, you need to enable custom scripts. Click on Enable Custom Scripts and it's going to attempt to repair it. This might take a couple of minutes. Okay, so it went ahead and did it for me, and now all the check marks up here, everything is good. I'll click on Next to continue. This is going to go ahead and show me the log of what's happening and how it's going ahead and creating or installing the app now. Okay, everything is done. Click on Close. Now, before I click on Close over here though, there is a message here that if you want the same experience that I'm about to show you on other applications like OneDrive, Outlook Online, Word Online, Excel, then you need to click on this link over here and it will show you how. For now, I'll disregard that, click on Close, and close here. And then I'm going to click on Reload this page. Now once the page is reloaded, you'll see the Need Help tab that appears at the bottom right. When you click on it, it will show you content that's available for this page. So if I click on one of these things, Collaborate, here we go, some textual content for that. I can also go and expand any of these groups, click on links in here, you'll see additional content in video format. I also now have access to the entire Microsoft Learning Pathways content. If I go ahead and search for Excel, it now shows me all the content that I have available to me regarding for Excel. Here it is. I can also cancel this search, go to application, go to a specific application such as PowerPoint, and now it has all the PowerPoint content items right there. I can also group by any of these columns as well. So I can move this over here, for example, and now it's grouping by this column. I can take a link to this page, click on this link, and then I can share the exact view of how this page looks with somebody else as well. And if I want to see all the content that I've already viewed, let me click on Show All first. Then I click on this check mark. And now it shows me all the content that I have viewed before.